Here's Sewati with her little baby.
Dang, that wasn't long.
What?
Does not want that sucker.
Yeah, I know.
How about just this? You want just that?
We think tonight's the night that she's gonna have her kittens. No, she wants your bed. She wants to have them on the bed here. Uncle Gringo.
Keep it filming, she's going to have it in a minute. Okay. One. Right, okay, get the bag off as soon as it comes out.
Yeah, but you let her do it though.
Okay.
Don't interfere. It's like she's like, you know, after she has it, she doesn't really like respond to it, and then going over to it, licking it and stuff.
Okay, well,
It's okay, Mama.
okay, well go fast. Are you on the freeway yet?
Yeah, I'm getting on the Vita right now.
Okay, alright. I'll call you in a minute.
Okay, so I'm getting the camera working?
Yes. It's recording us right now. Okay, bye.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I just wanted you to be in the moment with her. Good girl. She keeps looking.
Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Watch her little tummy and see if it contracts. But she's doing good pushing when it contracts.
Mm-hmm.
Today's the 16th. Red's birthday.
It's alright, Mama Kitty.
So I was just saying, so 3:45 roughly.
She's got a lot of look down here. Look.
Good girl.
Have you seen it? Look, is one coming out?
Good girl.
Look, something coming out.
Well, it's just getting big. Good girl. That's a good girl. Its head. Oh, a little black and white one.
Oh.
Now the rest has to come out. What do I do?
I don't know. Mommy, just let her. She's trying to get it. Say a little prayer.
It's good.
What time? 3 o'clock on the dot.
First kitten.
Black.
Black and white. I guess, but is it breathing?
Let her. She's chewing it.
No, she's just licking its head.
It's
Is it
nature.
breathing? Okay, there's a black and white one.
It's moving.
out,
It's
and
moving, Mommy.
Hasn't started crying, but she's just licking like crazy. The afterbirth hasn't come out yet. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Look
It's
at
got
its
a white face.
face.
Get a close up. Oh my gosh. Okay, hurry. Just bring Elijah. We'll get him something good to play with. Oh, she's spinning and the afterbirth hasn't come out yet.
Mommy, grab her.
Shh, shh, shh. What do you do?
Pull it out, Mommy.
Do you pull out?
Pull
the
it.
cat is hanging out.
Pull it out, Mommy.
Do you?
Okay, let me call you right back. Bye. Good job, Mama Kitty. Good job. Good job, Sewati.
Hello?
Hey, Nikki.
I'm coming, but this is called.
Okay, bye.
She better?
Yeah, hold on. She's just licking. She's not chewing, she's just licking.
Is it out?
I don't know. She's
Is the
just...
kitten okay?
I don't know, Mommy.
Did you call Nikki?
Yes, the Kristen called. She's on her way. It's okay.
Nikki's had him before.
Okay. They said it's moving. It's okay. Good girl, Sewati.
Yeah, it's out of the sack and everything.
Good girl. Oh yeah, no, she's fine. She's just
She
been
just needs to
umbilical
push
cord.
out the rest.
Right, well she hasn't had a contraction.
Right.
She
Okay.
will.
You just keep her calm.
I know. It's a good kitty.
And then you have a trash bag in here and take the afterbirth out.
Yeah. Well,
Because
she
we don't want
wants
her-
to eat it.
Well,
They say they like to eat it.
they do, but when they're birthing,
Here, I
then
think
she's
that
going to
cord-
focus more on
Right,
eating the
that.
afterbirth than having the
That's
next
why I said
baby.
to cut it. Tie it that one end. Yeah, tie it tight,
Yeah.
and then we can just cut that. Yep. I'm gonna turn the AC on. What else do we need?
6 hours for her to deliver those babies.
I knew you'd be good.
Oh,
She's
you've got,
real
there you
calm,
go.
So I
That's-
didn't want to
What happened
have
was...
too many in
Well, no,
here,
what
but she
happened
doesn't
was she was
care.
hanging from her and she kept
And they
spinning
will.
and spinning.
They will
and
because
spinning.
she,
Her
the
box
thing
back
is,
over here away from the
she
door.
doesn't know what's happening. Good girl.
Who was your daddy?
Easy. Good girl.
She's got enough white. Maybe it was that black kitty.
The neighbors on our street, that black cat.
Here it comes.
Good
Oh,
girl.
look at its head wiggling away.
Girl.
She's like, well, I'm not letting go of that baby.
Is she still contracting?
Mm-mm.
Nope.
You can go ahead and push. Well, and that's the other thing. They always worry about everyone that comes out, so it kind of slows down the
Right.
process or the birthing. But the thing is, you don't want that baby to stay in there too long.
Yeah, well,
Is that- is the head out breathing?
Well, you just want to know the head. You
You want
to
to make sure the head's out so it's breathing if it's coming out.
Here it comes. Here it comes. We got another. Let's see, another black and white.
Yep. With pink feet.
Yep.
Oh, good mommy.
Good mommy.
Good mommy. Good girl.
Okay, gotta get up and check that one.
Shouldn't have gotten the bottom half of her. There she goes.
Good girl. There you go.
Wrong kitty.
Yeah, move that one so she can focus. I know, see, she's so focused on that one. She doesn't, there.
There she goes.
Chloe. Good job, mommy. Good girl. Good girl. She said she'd be 20 minutes. Come on, lick her face.
Oh, my God.
The other one's like, let me go.
Good mommy.
It's okay.
Your mommy's right here.
Oh, you can feel that one right there. Yeah. It's nature.
They know what to do.
That one's like letting loose.
Well, he's been drinking even time.
Cute, look at that little face. Oh, did that one get latched on there? It's trying to.
He's trying. She's gonna figure
There
it
you
out.
go. There she goes. She got a good position. It's getting bent over too.
Well, she gotta have more room with two out to bend over. She couldn't hardly bend over and lick herself, Nikki.
Oh, can you imagine having 4 kids in your belly? Oh my
I hope
gosh.
that's all there is.
Well, If not, then you got more.
5.
Chris,
It's one more.
You have more.
No, it's one more.
Dog was so sweet. I said, well, he said, I'm a new
And
grandma.
sometimes the
I said, "I've lost so many
babies-
cats," and, you know,
It takes a
no
little
problem.
longer.
I said, do I need to bring her in today? He said, no, tomorrow's fine.
Yeah. Oh, I did the heating pad over here so that when
Oh,
you need to,
just
if
in
you need to put
case.
some on there.
Right.
Well, you can take this out once they're all born and
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna watch
lay the
that.
heating pad
Yeah.
on there.
No, they don't need
Well,
to
she
do
won't
that.
want no heat.
No, she won't.
No.
No,
Feel
just
her
the
ears.
babies.
Yeah, feel her ears. She's plenty warm.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Get that.
But so they said it's okay, like how long it's.
No, he said you can gently pull, so if she has
On
a
a
contraction,
contraction.
we need to gently.
It should be.
Well, and what we can do is like I did with
Where,
this.
where
Come
are
on.
you at?
Oh, it's in the bag.
Oh, you're still
It's in the
there?
bag still.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh my
the
gosh.
face is still
Oh,
in the bag.
Sewati's having her
Uh-oh,
kittens
we
right
gotta get
now.
the bag out.
She
Yeah.
needs to get rid of these.
Here,
you get
here,
that one.
here, here.
It's
Okay,
still in
you're
the
still
bag.
there?
Come on.
What?
There you go. Oh, there you go.
Rip.
You gotta get what? Oh, okay.
Yep, it did.
Oh, it's got a veil.
Yep, it did.
Look.
It did.
Oh, there it is.
Another
tiger stripe.
Look, that one has a
They're
really
taking
white.
Okay.
Coon cat.
That one looks like it's gonna
I
be
think
the
it was
little
that
runt.
cat.
Look,
Okay.
that one looks like the runt.
That'll work. I
Come on,
have
make the
family in
face.
Temple that if we
Look
want
at
to
those
stay in
white.
Temple, we can. So I said I have family in Temple that if we want to stay in Temple and then just drive. So
Come on,
it's
look
just
his
in the
face.
hotel. But
There
we'll
you
see.
go. Oh, he's breathing now.
May 13th.
Can't even sit something.
Yeah. Okay.
Kill this one.
Oh, they're all black and white, Rob. She's had 3 of them and they're black and
Where's that
white.
other kitten, Nikki? Yeah,
She's got both of
Okay,
them.
got both. Okay.
Yep. So she's having them.
Yeah, she needs to
She's supposed to have 4.
clean that one up.
But she didn't
She could
a
have 5,
placenta.
but yeah.
She didn't eat it.
Are you in your
Y'all saw it.
policy?
Okay.
She
Well,
ate. It
I'll
wasn't
talk
a
to you later
big
then.
thing, Marlene, but there was like when she finally
Yeah,
got
he
the,
did, but he was mad because nobody said hi
umbilical
to
cord,
him.
there was it was a
So I went and laid him
it wasn't
down
as
'cause
big
he
as
was
the
tired.
first one, but it was a little glob.
That's fine. Okay.
That's what's important. We have to
Okay. Bye.
watch.
Come on, lift the face.
Yeah, that's the
Vicky
thing.
said there was a little blob.
There was a little glob after she
Yeah, but not
started.
like the other. You could see
No.
it was like this big.
Yeah.
Vicky, when the first one
Yes,
about like
yeah.
that.
Yeah, the
This
first one
one
was big.
What she just did on that one over there, it was probably like that big. Kristen.
Yeah, because you have to make sure it detaches
Yeah.
is the problem. You know what I mean?
Well, that's what he's saying. If the thing comes out,
Well,
the
that's so
next one
weird that
pushes it.
when they come out that they're that close with the umbilical cord. Don't they normally come out and they're
Well,
further
that's
I've,
away?
I've never.
Because normally
That one was
they're
white
like that
around
far.
its
The
neck
umbilical
too.
cord's
But I
that
think
far
what they
away.
do
My
is
pelican
her
like that.
contractions haven't.
Maybe
She should
not
be
Well,
like
pushing it
hers.
out. Which should
And you
be
know what?
pretty
After
quick.
she has the last one too, everything could come
Come
out
out-
too.
yeah.
Because
Exactly.
Yeah, it may take a while for the
Autumn-
placentas to
yeah,
detach, but you
Autumn-
need to make sure
right.
that she has however many
Right.
kittens you have.
Well, she already
Because
ate
that
one.
Was
Autumn
the
did that.
total, really.
Yeah, you just need to make sure on that.
Okay, so this is
well,
number
and you'll be
3.
able to tell
Was born at-
after she has all 4 of them if she's like,
Yeah.
then there's still something,
something in there. Yeah.
Yeah, 15 minutes and then 30 minutes.
Mhm.
Okay, number
It might
3.
be 45. Isn't it?
Well, but you have to
And this is
understand too.
definitely a tiger
Oh.
stripe.
kind of looks like it. So that second
It
one.
definitely looks like a tiger stripe, and it's got white back legs, just like the
I
other
know
one.
they look alike. They look alike. You got a big old tabby
I
daddy.
know, do not look like her.
Well, they might. Oh, well,
No white ones.
Well, and they're going to change. Oh, this
they
one,
might have
look at how
stripes,
white
but-
it's underneath. When she's cleaning it, there's a lot of white hair in there.
she growled. Don't touch my hiney.
Well,
That
because
was-
she was
went back
pushing.
to look.
She was pushing
Right,
it out.
She's pushing. Yeah, I didn't
She was
know.
acting like
Probably
any,
said to
any
soft
female,
phone.
don't touch me again, I'll kill you.
Just like we are when we're in labor. Yeah. Sometimes they rub my back. And
What is
sometimes
that?
don't.
Is that the umbilical
Look at the
cord
length
right
of
there?
What is that?
Hmm? That's the umbilical cord.
Oh yeah, she ate it.
Did she eat it already?
Yeah.
No, they're not cut yet.
Oh no.
What is
No.
it, though?
This is part. This is the sack that was around the
that
head.
was around
Oh,
the head.
okay.
That's around the
that
head.
sack.
Did she?
Is that
She
one
did.
breathing, doing all right?
Yeah, it's
there it
moving.
goes.
Yeah,
There
it was
goes.
moving.
Yeah, she needs to lick his head.
No, she stopped worrying about
She's more
herself.
worried about her. I've never seen a female that worried about herself.
I know that's the last thing that they.
Well, here, lick this sucker.
Well, you just take the towel and just kind of lick it. There you go.
There.
There you go.
I was
Yeah,
saying
like-
this doesn't feel. This feels fine.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, is that medium or?
Turn it on low. Oh,
Yeah,
it doesn't
I
need to
would
be
turn-
on
I would
medium.
turn
it
on
off.
low.
Turn it off right now. That's plenty. They already
Yeah,
have
right
enough
there.
warmth.
Yeah.
There, all I did was touch it.
Just you gotta be careful because you don't want them to get too hot there. Oh no, that one's still cold.
That's what I'm
See,
saying.
you need to take the
Take
towel and
rub 'em.
rub.